Everyone, so welcome to my relaxer day video with me. I am currently 8 weeks post relaxer in this video right here, and I'm just showing you what my hair looks like in its current state. Now I'm actually going to be trying a new relaxer right here, this Creme of Nature Plex strengthening system, and I'm also going to be trying a new flat iron that I was sent for my personal review from NuMe. Alright, here's the relaxer and the activator. Here is the Plex strengthening treatment, the shampoo as well as the conditioner, and it also comes with a wooden spatula, gloves, and instructions. I did base my scalp and I sectioned my hair into 4 sections, and I did the relaxer off camera, but I'll leave a link so you guys can see how I do my relaxers because I've done it so many times. Now I'm going to be using this right here before I shampoo my hair. It comes in the relaxer box and it's basically a protein treatment to help build back up the strength in your hair once you've relaxed it. So I'm just showing you how it comes out. It's kind of like a liquidy, sticky type of solution. So I'm basically just going to apply that all over my hair. Make sure I use everything that comes inside of the bottle. And then I will leave this on my hair for 10 minutes because that's what it says in the instructions to do. I'm not 100% sure if I'll use this relaxer again because even though I felt like it did a really good job, I felt like my hair felt a bit stripped after I had relaxed my hair. And I'm just showing you, I was doing a neutralizing step right there with the shampoo. This is what it looks once I have rinsed it out. I'm now moving on to the conditioning step, and I also have an extra bottle of the conditioner because this little tube, that little bottle, is definitely not enough for my hair. I'm very heavy-handed, as you can see with my conditioners. I like my hair to be thoroughly saturated and moisturized. Now, once I've made sure to apply enough deep conditioner to my liking, I will put my shower cap on and deep condition for 30 minutes. Now, this is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner. This is the Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner. I just put it in a different bottle because the original bottle, it wasn't like shooting out correctly, so I put it in one of these spray bottles. So I'm just making sure to thoroughly saturate my hair with this leave-in conditioner. I'm now going in with my heat protectant. I use this Proclaim spray-on glosser, and now I am detangling my hair. Even though I don't really have knots and tangles, I still make sure to detangle my hair slowly and from the bottom up. So this is what my hair is looking like. It looks like the right side is a little longer than the left, so I definitely need a trim coming up here soon. But just showing you some quick clips of me blow drying my hair and the method of how I do that. I always make sure to blow dry my hair in sections because for one, it gives me more control and it helps each section to get straighter when I focus on one section at a time. So I basically do that, and now I'm ready to move on to the flat ironing step. But now let's get started with this flat iron. This is an unboxing as well as a review from the company NuMe. This is their Megastar X flat iron and it's 1.75 inches. I love the swivel cord, the long length of the cord. I'm just showing you what it looks like up close right here. It has the little finger grips on the end. It does have floating plates. I don't have to worry about my hair being pulled. And it has these little pretty gold buttons and chrome around it. So I just hit the power button and it goes up to 450. It automatically starts counting up so you can see when the flat iron is ready. It does not take long at all. Here's my little one. He wanted to be on camera for a few seconds. But now it has reached 450 degrees, but I'm not going to flat iron my hair on that. I'm actually going to hit the minus button because that's how you can decrease the temperature. I went down to 340, but I ultimately decided to go with 360 for flat ironing my hair. I love that this flat iron has tourmaline plates in it because my hair really likes tourmaline plates. By my hair being coarse, even though it's relaxed, like with the tourmaline plates, it seems like my hair gets the softest and silkiest and straightest. And I don't have any kind of puffiness on rainy days or any of that. As you can see, like it looks really good. And I also like to put a little bump at the ends of my hair. So you can also curl your hair with the straightener or you can make your hair flat, either one. So I'm basically going to let you guys watch me flat iron my hair from beginning to end, and let me know what you guys think about this flat iron, because I really ended up liking this one. I'll make sure to leave some links down in the description box, as well as a coupon code if you want to check out this flat iron or any other products that they have on their website. But as you can see, even with that just one section, like, my hair looks like I just love how my hair looks flat iron. Like, a lot of people ask me why I don't just blow dry my hair and then leave it alone, but to me, the flat iron adds the final finishing touches for me on my hairstyle. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching it, and I will chime in a little bit towards the end. Alright you guys, so we have made it to the end of the video here. Make sure to leave me a pink heart in the comments if you made it to the end. Don't forget to check out NuMe and their other products if you're interested in this flat iron. And this is what it looks like more in natural sunlight. I'm in front of a window with my ring light now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this flat iron. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.